Of my mobile monitor and MP4 setup. So what I have here is an Apache 3800 case from Harbor Freight. You can usually get them on sale for around 30-40 bucks. I think right now they have a 15 to 30% off sale going through the weekend, so hurry up and go to Harbor Freight and get one. Just happen to have this one laying around, and so what I did is I bought some new foam off Amazon. I'll try to put links down below so you guys can at least see what I purchased. I don't think they're affiliate links, so don't worry about that. I bought new foam because I'm not a real big fan of the pluck and pull foam. It just falls apart over time. It took me a little while to lay it out. I think this is the best layout for me anyway. I got the MP4 here, the RC controller. I got spare batteries for my dual Action 5 Pros. My spare batteries for the drone, and then back here I got my mic Mini set up. You just have it there. So this whole thing is battery powered. I have a portable power station back here. Originally I was going to put it behind the screen, but then I realized that this white cable is actually the receiver for the HDMI cable. With this plugged in all the time, it was draining my battery. It didn't know to turn off when the TV was off. So I have to be able to unplug and plug this back in. I have some Velcro back here for this, but I'm not real fond of that. I'm probably gonna end up changing it up. But USB-C that goes in, and then I put in my USB-C HDMI receiver that, I don't know if you can see it right here. I have a 180-degree USB-C to USB-C, and 180-degree HDMI to HDMI. So my cables are coming this way. They don't have to bend all the way around. I don't have to have a sharp bend in my cable here. They just go in. This little connector actually makes the change for me. So as you can see right here, this is the transmitter. This is the receiver. So I have a transmitter here that actually goes into the bottom of the controller. Let's pull that up. Okay. Not my idea, guys. I actually saw this on another, I think it was a short or maybe another YouTube video. Anyway, I just plugged that in. As soon as you turn on your controller, what's going to happen is you give it one press, pause for about 3 seconds, go ahead and turn it back on. And now we're waiting. We're looking for this to come up with a check mark. Okay. So we got the check mark. That means we're connected. And now you're going to see the screen and the controller sync. The screen is our Zopa brand. I'm sure by now they've changed the names of the brand. It's battery powered, 15.6-inch diagonal monitor. Pretty good clarity. As you can see right now, there's very, very little lag between the actual controller and the screen. Let's see here. Let's go profile. You can see it's pretty quick. Offline maps. So it reacts fairly close. Just a tiny, tiny lag. It's not so bad that I can't fly my drone looking strictly at the monitor. What's going on here? There we go. Just fat fingering it. So really simple setup. This thing can go anywhere with me. I got action cams, I got mics, I got spare batteries for everything. Of course, the mic control or the mic dock has a charger for the mics in it. I had that thing for almost a year. Made several videos. I've yet to charge it. My Action 5 Pros, I usually just charge them right off the bat or in the case itself because that battery lasts forever. I do have backups just in case. Now, my MP4 or M4P batteries, I burn through those things. I like to fly a lot, so I just rotate 1, 2, 3. Once my batteries are dead for the day, then I'm done. I actually have an EcoFlow Delta 2 that I can take with me and charge as we go. But as you know, these batteries take a while to charge. Not that big of a deal, but I try to make my flights for the day go around these 3 batteries because that's all I have right now. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to put links for the transmitter, the receiver, HDMI cord, the TV. I even do the foam for the Harbor Freight 3800 case. I'm going to try to put those down in a link below. You guys check it out if you like it. Be interested to see what you guys come up with and build. All right, guys, have a great day and have fun flying.